بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
كافها يا عين صاد.
Kaf, Ha, Ya, Ain, Sad.
ذكر رحمة ربك عبده زكريا.
This is a mention of the mercy of your Lord to his servant Zechariah,
إذ نادى ربه نداء خفيا.
when he called to his Lord a private supplication.
قال رب إني وهن العظم مني واشتعل الرأس شيبا ولم أكن بدعائك رب شقيا.
He said, My Lord, indeed my bones have weakened, and my head has filled with white, and never have I been in my supplication to you, my Lord, unhappy.
وإني خفت الموالي من ورائي وكانت امرأتي عاقرا فهب لي من لدنك وليا.
And indeed, I fear the successors after me, and my wife has been barren, so give me from yourself an heir,
يرثني ويرث من آل يعقوب واجعله رب رضيا.
who will inherit me and inherit from the family of Jacob, and make him, my Lord, pleasing to you.
يا زكريا إنا نبشرك بغلام اسمه يحيى لم نجعل له من قبل سميا.
He was told, O Zechariah, indeed, we give you good tidings of a boy whose name will be John. We have not assigned to any before this name.
قال رب أنى يكون لي غلام وكانت امرأتي عاقرا وقد بلغت من الكبر عتيا.
He said, My Lord, how will I have a boy when my wife has been barren and I have reached extreme old age?
قال كذلك قال ربك هو علي هين وقد خلقتك من قبل ولم تك شيئا.
An angel said, Thus it will be. Your Lord says, It is easy for me, for I created you before while you were nothing.
قال